How to use a Visa gift card on DoorDash. Now, if you want to use a Visa gift card on DoorDash, there are two distinct things that I want you to understand. First of all, let's go to DoorDash.com or the DoorDash app. And let's go to the payment info page. After we log in, let's go to the account option from the bottom left of our browser. And here I will simply go to the option called payment. Now keep in mind that if it is just a Visa gift card and it is not related to DoorDash in any way or any form, so it is not a DoorDash gift card, but it is just a Visa gift card and there is no mention of DoorDash, then you have to add it as a normal credit or debit card. Even if it is a Visa gift card, you have to add it as a credit or debit card. However, if it is a DoorDash gift card specifically, then you have to scroll down and select have a gift card, click on redeem now button. Now if you're confused, you can just try one for the other. The only difference is that if it's not written or any mention of DoorDash, then you have to add it as a normal credit or debit card and just add your card. If it asks you for a zip code and so on, then you can simply type in the zip code of your home address or the shipping address where you want it to deliver. Now if it's asking and if it's related to DoorDash, it's a DoorDash Visa gift card, not just Visa gift card but a DoorDash gift card, then you can click on redeem now from the gift card option specifically to redeem it. So I hope that this video made it pretty clear for you as to how you can redeem or use a Visa gift card on DoorDash. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.